neighborhood just went bad.
Oh yeah.
What's the toast for?
Vermont Dan making it back to Florida.
We're still breathing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dan hasn't even gotten his boat yet.
Yeah, they wanted to be here for a
Yeah,
day
well,
before.
that was the reason for that. We hid it over your house so you couldn't take it out the first day.
Hey,
We wanted a reprieve from boat sinkages first day.
Well,
in
good.
Florida.
Well, good thing because it was super cold when he got here. we would have been standing on ice to pull it out of the river.
that ain't gonna happen. Come on, you guys gotta give me a break. I drove all last summer without sinking it or...
All right.
You had some parts fall off, but you crashed into the tree and bent the steering rod.
Oh, Jesus.
Which I didn't even know until you explained how the boat hit the tree and the boat stops and you kept going and the rod went with you.
Because something like this would happen.
What? Being documented to be shown to America?
Yes.
All right, what's going? Chase knows what's going on.
What?
What do you mean what? The camera's not even on. We're just I'm just getting some camera angles here.
We're fixing the Cadillac motor.
It's all fixed. We're putting it back in the boat.
All right, let's see here.
This is Busby's Roach. Chase rides on it, right, Chase? What are you afraid of camera?
No.
What you doing there, Roy?
Trying to line up the bolt holes on the flywheel because they're not spaced properly because of the balance factor. They're spaced so that they'll only go on one way on purpose, and I don't know if I've got this thing perfectly lined up or not with the bolt holes being off. I may have to rotate it because there's a couple of them that don't want to go in. Like this one here is
It's no good, Babaloo. I got really good eyes. You want me to get in there and look?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Let me pull these bolts out.
Can only go one way.
Got two of them.
Isn't the beer for after? Isn't the beer for after you're done?
Yeah, it's
We're
all.
almost done.
Let me
Dan's thirsty.
take the bolts out of here and
Dan
line
said
this
he's
thing up.
thirsty.
I thought you said you weren't drinking.
One for you.
Here,
Roy.
somebody hold these.
I haven't started yet.
They got it straight.
Let me look. Want me to get my eyes in
Right
there?
off and poke it right
I can
through
see
the-
it. I can see it's not. The hub's not lined up with the flywheel properly.
Yeah, it's gotta be. Both of them got a
What's
line.
that for?
Roy, I guess.
All right.
You want me to get in there, Roy?
So while he's messing with
I
that,
just want to twist it.
what was the story here, Busby? Why'd Jeff take this motor out?
Oh, it was running good. The bottom end just getting a little loose. I
This safe?
didn't want to run it too hard anymore. Just
This safe?
ready for upgrade.
So what'd you do to it?
Put new crank bearings in it.
And a crank?
Yep, new crank.
Should be like brand new now.
I'm hoping. Should be. Top
switch
end's all
places?
new.
What's the matter, Danny? A little worried about that machine bucket?
Yeah, kind of makes me nervous.
Yeah, what do you want to live forever?
I had a buddy that died on one of these
We'll
things.
find out when I get out there and smoke you.
My boat, my boat will go,
Look at you.
my boat will go faster than it can handle.
Yeah. You won't even see me.
Dan, I'll leave you. So
You're
far
always
behind.
behind. You're always stopping, have a beer, smoke your pipe, take a leak.
That's the enjoyment of riding an airboat.
Yeah.
What, stopping?
Stop.
And not riding and sitting in it on the side of the river somewhere?
Enjoying the nature.
It's like Dan knows everybody on the river because he sits there for hours, people driving by.
They stop and visit.
I'll just take it off and I'll get them right for
I
you.
gotta get our sausages going again.
Yeah, we're going to have to.
And I'm just gonna go one
a
hole at a time
barbecue.
until I get it.
Most expensive.
Well, when Aaron gets back from pig hunting.
Right
I
off.
have to do
Yeah,
that.
he's deer hunting, isn't he?
No, pig hunting.
Sure.
Yeah, he don't deer hunt.
Yeah, I know.
He thinks that's that's a bad thing, he says.
My thing.
Most best is grill.
It'll
Like
go on
homemade.
there sooner or later.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, we'll get some sausage on the Lycoming grills going.
You got a 350 crank in no time at all.
Yeah.
Can't stop loving you.
Improper torque means your prop flies off and goes to the bottom of the boat.
Yeah, tears everything up.
I lock tight.
Straighten that thing out with that
Quicker than you can
Swamp
say,
Terrorist string.
quicker than you can say, I hear something
One half
making a
of-
funny
Boom.
That's the end of
El
that.
Cinco.
All gone.
You got a socket
late.
up there you don't want to forget.
Hub. And then you have a extension on that too?
This is the
Yeah,
extension.
then this hub goes up.
Normally a flange is only about this wide.
But he's got a long one.
You put the cage on first, don't you? Or do you?
Then that goes on.
I can, but I
Then the
don't
prop
have to.
goes on.
Here we go.
Don't run me over.
Hard to see, but looking good.
You're on the seat. About an inch. Slow down when he goes down. It's gonna go forward. Hold on, we go like this. Boy, you got that turned in there? No, you gotta turn that rear mount and you can run the flywheel. That's what he said.
The other way, Roy.
Gotta go
Crackers in action.
forward down a little bit.
Still working on it. What do you think, Swamp Terrace?
Where's that long boat that was here, Chase?
Right there on the ground. Hey, give me a hammer. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Actually, we like seeing you in there once in a while, see?
Nobody wants to look at my ugly face.
Ugly Yankee warrior.
Going down?
You got the hammer.
Hold it.
Got the hammer out.
Pick it up a little bit. You went back down again. Go down. Down. Go down a hair. This is not lined up. Clear.
This is boat.
He doesn't want it up there. Put a jack right here.
Didn't spill my beer, Dale.
Nice.
Good job, man.
Now we're just missing the bolts.
That's not a problem, is it?
No, you don't need bolts. The weight of the motor holds in place.
3 of them will hold.
The guy up the street told me that.
He's from Vermont.
Don't start picking on us Vermonters.
Yeah, we got
Can't
it.
get in there, but
This one looks like it should go.
Yeah, that one's a lot closer than this one. Crooked, crooked, crooked.
I see it. I see
Caca, caca! You're cockeyed like Dan on a Friday night.
Hey,
Yeah, we just need a screw.
you weren't far behind.
Hold on a second. Give me this thing. This will probably bend. That'll bend.
Yep, we're gonna have to hitch the tractor back up to the motor and give it a little lift.
It'll pick me up.
Forward. Easy.
Got that bottom one started.
This is just a tweak here of the tweak.
Got the top one started on this side.
There you go, Phil.
I need a wrench. That's got to get running. Let me get her. Of course, everyone.
Whoa.
This is OSHA rated. An eye hook?
Modifications in the bottom end of these Cadillacs. Doug.
Yeah, needed it.
Well, they got a tendency to be hard on that thrust bearing, so we did a little drilling and porting to make a little better oiling system in it.
Perfect.
But we can't tell people how we do it. It's our
Secret.
yeah.
You're not going to run that in there like that, are you? Let me start
I was gonna.
putting a nut and bolt on it.
No.
Still easy to fit. Well, there's your problem. The rigging's bent. You suck that into that rigging all the way around.
Yeah,
Yeah. You tweaked about quarter inch.
it's a heavy flange too.
Little oil pressure line action.
Yeah, with a lot of pressure line action. Get her.
How long you building airboats?
Probably 40 years. Well,
You usually do aircraft though, right?
all aircraft. Yeah, this is the only Cadillac I've ever run.
Well, you rescued it.
Aircraft in the shop I'm building now.
Well, that's going to be a whole new, different episode.
Yeah, yeah.
What is it? A 46 Continental, 6-cylinder?
1949.
49?
Yeah,
There you go.
good one.
How many boats do you think you built?
Oh gosh, I have no idea.
A lot.
A few, yeah.
A couple.
Quite a few engines. Yeah, oh shit. Started the-
Well, you were saying that these blocks have a little more nickel in there,
Yep, a little more nickel.
and Roy, the reason?
Well, the Cadillac motor is known normally with, like, say, Chevy 350, a stock one that's out of a stock car, you know, regular GM car.
Uh-huh.
When they cast the motor into sand casting with the low nickel content, you got 4 cylinders over here and 4 cylinders over here. As it cools down, it shifts a little bit, okay? Not much, maybe a few thousandths or whatever. The only way you can get close to the block shift in the Cadillac, which is so minimal that you'd have to have a custom block built by Keith Black or something. That's how straight these come out of the mold. Few people know about that.
So they were precision molded.
They're really precision molded, and when they were taken out of the mold, there was no block shift in them whatsoever. So they really stand up. You know, a lot of nickel in that block. It's a good block.
Good.
Is there any oil in the motor?
Yeah. Couple quarts.
Yeah.
Ready for the river?
Quartz. Oh, will be tomorrow probably.
It's too cold to go out there anyway.
Yeah, well, you know, you put a quart and a half in them for break in.
Breakdown.
For breakdown.
Put a quart and a half in there for breakdown purposes.
Smoke.
Turn it back. Yep, that's good.
Right there.
Hit the gas.
Kaput.
Yeah, she's firing though. Put on 50.
50.
Boat.
Okay.
Prepare for flames.
I'm getting
Yeah.
ready.
Flames, here we go.
don't know how far they're going to spit out.
Yeah, I guess. Ready as I'm ever gonna be.
I got the hook.
Can't turn it.
Little oily on that side.
Yeah.
Temporary fix to the fuel leak. Roy's finger. Do you feel like the little Dutch boy, Roy?
Yeah.
The little Dutch Roy.
Yeah. Wait till the cat's on fire. You'll see a whole different Roy.
And here comes the cage. Motor's running. The crackers are coming in. Well, one cracker.
Swamp steel cage match.
Couple Yankees.
I don't think we're going to get it.
Yankee lawyer.
Way up over the top. I think you're going to have to guide it. I don't think we'll get it because we got to pick it up too high to get.
Did you pick it up high enough with the machine?
I can. We'll have to tie it.
The oil boiling.
Wasn't too warm.
No. Here, air blowing by one of the
Yay!
pressure.
So we're in hold here for again.
We need the tractor.
Yeah.
So we've decided that we can't lift it high enough, or there's too much work, right, Yankee lawyer?
Cracker laziness, I think, is the symptom.
And now we got the rope. Show them that nice hook you made. Look at that.
I can tie my own shoes. I can tie my own shoes.
I'm working hard pulling Spanish muscle.
Should have picked it up with the hoe.
Yeah, I can get it higher with the hole as high as I can go.
Roy, tilt it
I
up.
think you can work it through there.
I got plenty of room on this side. One of those slides.
Looking very good.
Go up.
Watch that carburetor.
Go up. Forward.
There you go.
I'm in. Down a little. Okay, forward.
All right, we're good.
All right.
I don't want to scratch the paint. You know, this high-end swamp stuff. It is very important to remove the rope. Otherwise it gets tangled up in the prop.
Yeah, Roy, been a hell
And
of a
Mr. Busby, are you happy?
Always happy, Dan.
Time for beer?
Time for another beer?
There you
we
go.
have beer.
All right.
Amen.
Yeah.
So we just get this in there. All right, bring the swamp terrorist to help me, and then I'm bringing it back with the gaskets.
Okay.
You gonna
Good.
keep working on it?
Yeah, send them home with the gaskets.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go to the store. I'll drop them off.
Okay, good deal.
This,
That'll work.
this has been Outlaw Airboats.
You'll see us on the river this week.
Soon.
Every time everybody goes for an airboat ride, nobody ever tells me.